Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have no makeup on, my hair is not done, my outfit is just whatever, and that is because today we're going to be doing a TikTok experiment. TikTok is the big thing right now. It's such a trend, it's popping off, everybody is on it, and I've been on it since November of 2019, so a couple of months, and I have just seen so many trends coming and going, and I feel like this is one that I've seen a lot recently. So usually someone will make two videos to the same sound and they'll change something around for each video. So for example, like the first one will have no makeup versus the second one with makeup and see which one gets viral or more likes. I feel like with TikTok it is all luck, honestly, because I could post a video, it'll get like a normal amount of views and likes, and then I'll save the same video, re-upload it at a different time, and then it'll, get a lot more views. Of course, other things going into it, but I feel like that's like the main thing. And there are so many people that have came to the conclusion that TikTok is basically all about your looks, and that's basically what this experiment is going to be testing out today, and it's really all an audience preference, so from what you guys want to see. Now, I do have a little bit of a following on TikTok already from my YouTube. I'm at 11K currently, but I'm not going to let that get in the way of this challenge because on average my videos get around 1,000 to 2,000 likes, so I'm going to keep that in mind with this. And there are some videos that go a little bit better than others, so that's basically what I'm going to be seeing today. One that I posted 3 days ago was like a workout routine, and that is currently at 500K. It literally just hit that this morning, and that is honestly mind-blowing. Like, so many people are saying this, but I feel like TikTok is definitely the easiest platform to like get a following from and like blow up on, and especially with how addicting it is. Like, I know I've been on it a lot recently. It's really easy to get like pulled into this loophole and you're just scrolling for hours and hours, and imagine how many different people and different types of videos you see while scrolling during those hours. So I have come up with 3 different rounds that I'm going to be doing for today's video. One is going to be a dancing video, one's going to be a comedy skit, and then the other is just going to be like a random extra video. And then I'm going to do 2 versions of the dancing and the comedy ones. So for example, for a dancing video, I'm going to make 2 different ones, one with nice clothes and makeup, and then the other one just how I look now. Also, I will not be able to include the original sound of the video, so I'm going to be putting some overlay background music over it because of copyright reasons. But if you guys want to see the final and how they actually turned out, I will link my TikTok down below. I'll also leave it on the screen. It is the same as all of my other socials. So I have 3 different sounds saved for each category. So the first one is dancing, and obviously I picked something that's trendy for each category because that's kind of the way to go viral. I picked the Blow Your Mind by Dua Lipa dance because I feel like lots and lots of people are doing that right now. I would say dancing videos is mainly what I do on TikTok already. I'm not the best at it, but I just find them really fun to learn and like film. I don't know, I just really like them. So I would say those get normal amount of views. It's not like any of mine went crazy. However though, in November when I first all started this, and it wasn't really like that big of a thing, it was me literally dancing at the gym to a trending sound, and this girl like walked behind me and saw me. And that was basically it, and it got 300K, and that was like my second video, I'm pretty sure. BRB while I try and learn this dance. Alright, so now I'm actually gonna film the TikTok. Alright, you know what? I fight with this ring light every time I make a TikTok. Oh, here we go. Oh, I already look stressed. Oh, I messed up. No. I literally... Okay, here's my problem. I have so many other dances in my head. Like, I literally was just about to do that say so thing. Didn't even notice. Whatever. Alright, it's good. I'll put the final result right here, obviously without music, so it's gonna look weird, but just know that it, isn't that awkward. I'm gonna save it to my drafts. I'm not gonna post it yet because I want to post them all at the same time to make sure it's not something like, because it might take me a while to film the other ones. So for the first version of my comedy skit, I thought I would do one to a sound that's about my nose, because I did one other video and it was like literally the quickest video I've ever filmed. Like, I literally just sat down and did it, and it got like over 200K. So this one's like a side profile thing, and if y'all don't know me, okay, I hate my side profile. Like, I have seen so many people that have used this sound that have the perfect side profile. Like, I would literally die to have a side profile that looks like that. They literally have the perfect nose, like the best jawline. Like I could never.
So just found out this is what I look like to other people. So due to personal reasons, I will be passing away.
I think that one's the best. So I'm going to do the same hashtags, for you page, for you.
So just found out this is what I look like to other people. So due to personal reasons, I will be passing away.
That one's good. Saving that one to the draft. So now I'm going to do the random one because this one is actually going to be a green screen of photos. So it's not going to actually capture what I look like now. So that's why before I'm not really going to do two different versions because, you know, it's basically a challenge where you green screen a bunch of photos of yourself and you basically have people guess what your name would be since, you know, the people on your For You page don't really know you. I feel like this is great for me because usually people that do this challenge, like their username has their name in it, so it kind of like gives it away. But for me, my username is my first initial T and then my last name tassise. So I'm gonna quickly go through my Snapchat memories and just find a couple of good photos. I'm honestly really curious to see what people would assume my name is, like for people that don't know me, because I have no idea what I would look like. Like, my dream name is Ashley. Like, I've always loved that name. I always wanted that name, but like I feel like it doesn't fit me like at all. Like, I feel like if anything I look like a rat. Like, I don't know. Alright, so that one's in the drafts, and now I'm gonna get ready to do some makeup, put on a way better outfit. Then I'll be back to film the second versions of the dance and the comedy ones. And then once I'm done, I'll wait a full 24 hours, come back tomorrow, and see which ones did the best. Okay, so as you can see, I'm a whole different person. Like, hello. I'm actually not wearing that much makeup. Like, I'm not wearing any face makeup, literally just lashes and brows. And I'm also going to pop on a lip gloss as well. I also did end up straightening my hair too. So for the dancing one, literally just going to do the same thing. Alright, so we have the same background, same sound, same everything basically except for me. I just stepped on my cat. Oh my god. I literally do this like the freaking president of TikTok is gonna see it. Alright, this is the last take, yo. Nope. I've been filming for 20 minutes. Alright, that one was good. Alright, so the dancing one took quite a while, but I think we got a final. Alright, now we're gonna film the side profile one.
So I just found out this is what I look like to other people. So due to personal reasons, I will be passing away. So just found out this is what I look like to other people. So due to personal reasons, I will be passing away.
Now we are all done with all 5 TikToks. I have the 2 dancing ones, the 2 comedy ones, and then that one random one. So I'm all gonna post them now. It is currently almost 1:30 on Friday, April 17th, and I'm gonna check up with you guys around this time tomorrow to see what type of reactions I get. Maybe I'll get some negative comments, maybe I'll get some positive, and maybe one will go viral. I really doubt that because it is hard to make videos like go big, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna post them now and see you guys tomorrow. Alright, hey guys, so it is now a new day, April 18th, and I have not yet seen the results of these TikToks. I have not taken notice, so I have no idea what the numbers are, just like you guys. So I'm actually going to check them on camera, and it is actually over 24 hours. So it's about 2 o'clock, and I posted them at 1:30. So, oh my god. Wow, alright. Well, my prediction was wrong. I thought that the one random one where you guessed my name, I thought that one was going to be the one to be the best, but it was actually the nose comedy one, but the second version, so when I was all done up. So the first version of the dancing category when I wasn't dressed up has 4K, as well as the first version of the nose comedy when I wasn't dressed up as well. And then the second version of the first category, which was dancing, is at 9K, and then the second category, which was the nose comedy one, second version is at 8K. So there you can see the difference of the views. There's several thousand more views on the one that I'm done up in, so that is literally crazy. So I mean, I would say this experiment was not really a success because that's not really what I wanted to see, but it definitely does prove all of the theories and like stuff that people have came up with true. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below if you want to see me do any more types of experiments, possibly like one with Instagram or something. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, you guys, every single one of you, please, please, please remember that you are beautiful how you are and that you do not need to change one single thing about yourself to be beautiful or to fit into society or meet certain standards, because that is honestly ridiculous. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and bye guys.